I made this super sick board for my buddy, and I messed it up really bad. Dumb! Stupid! Half of me doesn't want to make this video because I'm so embarrassed. Definitely get some flack for it, but on the flip side of things, by me showing this to other people, getting into shaping, they'll probably never make this mistake, and the repair process is really similar to when you crack a fin box or if you blow a fin box out. So it'll be helpful for people out there. So look at this. This is horrible. I cannot believe I put the fins in freaking backwards. When you're popping in fin boxes, you tape off the opening so resin doesn't get in it. And in the video, you can even see I did a quick double check and I put it in backwards and resin it in. I think the best way to fix this, I'm going to actually route out the fin box and just put in a brand new one from scratch. Put it in the freaking right direction this time. The saga of embarrassment is over. Okay, this thing is looking sick. Brand new board, pretty much. Very clean. The fin box repair turned out really nice. You never even know. Look at that. If you want to see this whole board being built, I'll link the full video here or here. And like and subscribe, support the channel, feed the algorithm gods, and check out some other videos. Huzzah!